Ever wish you could create awesome animated explainer videos just like the Fortune 500 companies? Did you know? It would cost you $300 to $500 to create a 30-second animated video if you hire an expert. It can be time-consuming, frustrating and expensive to create a pro-quality animated explainer video. Today, we are going to cut through the clutter and solve all that. Say hello to AnimationStudio App. I can say with confidence that this app is miles ahead of any other explainer video marker app in the market. Check out the software demo here. The link in description. With AnimationStudio you can create unlimited pro-quality animated videos in any language or any niche. Utilize cutting-edge technologies like text-to-speech, one-click translation, huge preloaded library of animation video assets, props and characters to instantly add spark to your videos. Done for you fully customizable video templates from the hottest niches. Open Canvas Video Editor from create long-form sales videos, presentations or commercial videos. There is no limit on the length of videos you can create. The best part? Commercial license is included so you can sell the videos online and a file for hefty margins. All templates come loaded with professional voiceovers, pre-designed with stunning visual effects, text, and transitions. All text-to-speech can be translated into virtually any language, opening new opportunities around the globe. Completely untapped markets are now accessible with AnimationStudio. Note: for a very short time during the early bird launch special you can get this for a jaw-dropping low price that may expire very soon. Unlock the early bird discount. The link in description. P.S. Thousands in bonuses are included along with this one-time early bird price. Don't wait any longer, get AnimationStudio today.